Welcome to the GenePlanet at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. GenePlanet offers a comprehensive at-home DNA testing solution aimed at individuals seeking detailed insights into their health, lifestyle, and genetic predispositions. Designed for people focused on optimizing wellness and preventing potential health issues, this test kit provides a blend of science-backed data and actionable recommendations tailored to your unique DNA. The process is simple. After purchasing the kit, you collect a saliva sample using the provided materials and return it to GenePlanet's lab. Results are available within a few weeks through their secure online platform or mobile app. One of the standout features of GenePlanet is its broad range of reports covering health, nutrition, sports performance, and general lifestyle. For health, GenePlanet evaluates genetic predispositions to various conditions, providing insights into potential risks such as cardiovascular issues or lactose intolerance. While it's not a diagnostic tool, it's an excellent resource for early awareness and preventive measures. The nutrition report delivers personalized dietary advice based on your genetics, including which vitamins and nutrients you may need more of. The sports section analyzes your physical potential, muscle type, and recovery time, making it invaluable for athletes or fitness enthusiasts. GenePlanet also includes a unique lifestyle report, offering tips on stress management, sleep optimization, and weight control based on your genetic profile. Additionally, their user-friendly platform makes it easy to explore your data and apply the insights to your daily life. Who is this for? GenePlanet is perfect for individuals who prioritize health and fitness or want a deeper understanding of how their genetics influence their everyday choices. It's especially useful for those looking to create a personalized wellness plan rooted in science. In summary, GenePlanet provides a robust and user-friendly at-home DNA testing experience, combining comprehensive health and lifestyle insights with practical advice. If you're ready to unlock the power of your DNA to improve your life, check the links in the description to learn more or order your kit today.